Hi, everyone. Welcome to this introductory lecture to Excel, one of the most popular spreadsheet program used for data analysis and management. My name is Dr. Wendy Pierre. I have more than 20 years of experience in teaching Excel and science courses. I will be your guide and instructor for this lecture. Again, welcome to our course. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the introductory lecture to Excel. Okay, so first of all, what is Excel? Microsoft Excel is a widely used spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft. It is part of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity software. Excel is designed to help users create, organize, analyze, and present data in a structured tabular format, making it an essential tool for tasks related to data management, analysis, and visualization. We can also define Microsoft Excel as a spreadsheet software program developed by Microsoft Corporation that is used to store, organize, and manipulate data into tabular form. So basically, the purpose is to give data a table form. Excel allows users to create and format spreadsheets, perform calculations on data, create charts and graph and analyze data. We will see each of them in the upcoming lectures. Where and in what industry or field Excel is mostly used? Okay, so it is a part of Microsoft Office suite of application that is widely used in business, finance, education, and many other fields. So basically, Excel is being used in every field nowadays. So what is this software that everyone are using? Who and what company owns it? How did it got here? A brief history about Excel. Excel was first released by Microsoft Corporation in 1985 for the Apple Macintosh computer. It was later released for the IBM PC in 1987, and since then it has become one of the world's most widely used spreadsheet software program. Excel has undergone many updates and improvements over the year. The latest version is Excel 2021. Now that we know where it comes from, let's open the Excel interface. So this is the ribbon. We are going to see what actually ribbon is. The ribbon is the top part of the Excel interface that contain different tabs that group together all the related commands. The ribbon is divided into several tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formula, Data Review, View. Each tab contains groups of related commands that are used to perform specific tasks. Now that we open the software, whenever you open Excel, you will see a window like this. So now you have to select blank workbook. Then here you can see a spreadsheet, right? Okay, so this part is the ribbon bar. It contains Home, Insert, Page Layout, which contain different options. All right, can you guys see it? Okay. So now we have these groups of related commands. For example, if there is something related to the font, then we'll go to this group. If there is something related to the alignment, then we'll go to this group. So for example, if I'm typing something in the first cell, 1, 2, 3, now I can change the font from here. I can change the font theme from here. I can change the color as well. I can change the color of the box as well. So basically, these options are used for the font purpose. And now this is the alignment group, and I can align it the way I want it or according to my will. Do you guys understand? Okay, let's minimize it. Thank you for joining our course. I will see you guys in the next lecture.